Buongiorno, boys and girls. Here is your ancient Chinese menu for Thursday, the 23rd, April 23rd. Right here, once again, you have your must-dos in red, which is your drink. The drink that you're going to order first is my video explanation of what your agenda is for the week. I haven't linked it just yet, but the video is posted. You'll click on this link right here. It'll be blue, and it'll take you to my YouTube page of me explaining the agenda for the week. Next, your appetizer for the day is the question of the day. So you're going to stop and answer, would you rather live forever in a roller coaster park or a zoo? You're going to type in your response into this box right here. And then my question I always ask all the time, because I'm genuinely curious, how are you doing during this time? Tell me your feelings. We all have different days and different moods and different feelings, and sometimes those might change. So I just want to make sure that I, Miss Harris, am here for you guys because I miss and love you all. So type in your response right here. Once again, no one sees those but myself. This document will only be shared with Miss Harris. You're going to stop and pick one main course. So I decided to switch it up a little bit, and you guys are going to do a different activity for Thursday. So when you click on these blue links, it gives you more information that you're going to need to help you do your response, to give your answer. So when you click on this blue link right here, it'll take you to a timeline of Chinese dynasties. And what you're going to do is list the following dynasties in order, starting from first to last. So in this purple box, you have a list of, out of order, the different types of dynasties that happened during China's reign. You're going to list them in order from the first dynasty that began until the last dynasty that happened. You have the Ming dynasty, the Zhou dynasty, the Shang dynasty, the Han dynasty, the Qin dynasty, and the Warring States. You're going to put those in order 1 through 6. On the right-hand side, you get to choose if you want to interview Emperor Qin, the first emperor of China. You're going to pretend like you interviewed Emperor Qin, and then create a dialogue about what the conversation may have been during present day 2020. So you're going to pretend that you're having a conversation with Emperor Qin today. It needs to be at least 5 sentences. I posted an example for you guys in purple, and it says, "Hello, Emperor Qin. Thank you for stopping by and talking to me today. Now tell me, what was your first thought about being an emperor of China?" I forgot of. Emperor of China. And then in quotation marks, because this is what Emperor Qin is saying, "Well, I feel very thankful to have been a part of China's growth." You're just going to maybe ask him a few questions. You're going to pretend that you're having this conversation between Emperor Qin. So it's going to feel like very one-sided, like you're talking to yourself. But it's going to be like a pretend conversation between you and Emperor Qin. So you get to pick either listing the dynasties in order or interviewing Emperor Qin. And then you're going to type your response into the blue box. Lastly, you're going to stop and pick one dessert. So with the dessert, you're going to click on the blue link, and it'll take you to a short 5-minute video about Mulan and the history of Mulan, and comparing it to Disney's Mulan. So it's the same video for the same dessert, except each dessert has a different task. So on the left-hand side, you're going to watch the short 5-minute video and answer the following questions in at least 3 sentences. Why do you think women were not allowed to fight for their country? You're going to type your response into the blue box. And then on the right-hand side, you're going to compare Disney's Mulan compared to the history Mulan. So you're going to list 2 similarities and 2 differences between Disney Mulan and history Mulan. In the purple box, I included an example of my own. So things that I found similar between Disney and history Mulan is that they're both about a girl named Mulan. And the major difference is that Disney was a movie and that the real Mulan was based off of a poem about a real woman. You're going to type in your 2 similarities and your 2 differences right in this box. You're going to stop and make sure that you have completed all of your assignments before submitting into Google Classroom on April 25th by midnight. Peace.